Welcome to another Rodrozen design and build project we've got here going on in West 16th Avenue in Vancouver. We're taking this 70s style condo which had existing wallpaper and giving it a lovely modern spacious feel. We've removed the existing partitions that divided a dining space that used to exist in here and opening up the kitchen here. Building a beautiful kitchen island with lovely countertop in through here. Coming through here to the living area, again we've opened up and removed some existing walls to produce a lot more of an open feel here that has a lot of synergy with the living space and the kitchen here. Coming on through to the living space, we've got a second bedroom off to my left here, as well as a bathroom here with a tub to my right. Coming through to the master bedroom, we've got a beautiful bathroom. I can't quite show you at the moment because of this lack of lighting, but we're going to have some beautiful exposed concrete with some recesses, with some beautiful showcasing LED lighting. And coming through to the master bedroom where we finish off.